Let's just dive right into this explainer. Look, if you're completely tired of dealing with bloated, sluggish media centers and you just want a clean, streamlined setup, well, you're in exactly the right place today. We're going to break down how to install Gratis Red. We'll look at what it actually is, why it's getting so much traction lately, and exactly how you can get it up and running on your own system.
To keep things super organized for you, here is our roadmap. We'll cover what Gratis Red is, its main features, the security prerequisites you really need to know, the actual installation process step by step, and finally, we'll hit some frequently asked questions.
All right, Section 1. What exactly is Gratis Red? Basically, Gratis Red is an updated Kodi video add-on. Now, if you've been around the block with Kodi for a while, you probably remember the hugely popular Scrubs v2 add-on. Well, Gratis Red is actually a clone of that, and it's currently distributed through the Red repo. The big draw here is that by stripping away all those massive, complex menus, it gives you this incredibly lightweight experience that just won't bog down your device.
And its core appeal really comes down to this one thing. It is a non-debrid add-on. If you're not familiar, that simply means it scrapes the web for free streaming links without requiring you to go through the hassle of setting up or paying for a premium debrid account. It's just pure, hassle-free browsing for anyone who wants a quick experience without managing extra third-party accounts.
Moving on to Section 2, Features and Capabilities. So despite being so incredibly lightweight, Gratis Red actually packs quite a punch when it comes to content. You get your standard movies and TV shows, of course, but it goes a step further by throwing in dedicated live TV and sports sections, too. It's totally tailored for anyone who just wants quick efficiency but doesn't want to sacrifice variety to get it.
Section 3, Security and Privacy Prerequisites.
Before we get into the tech stuff, just a really quick reminder. This explainer is strictly for educational and informational purposes. It is absolutely crucial to make sure you're only accessing content that is legally available in your specific region. From a technical standpoint, the absolute most important prerequisite is having an active VPN connection. Why? Because internet service providers can and do monitor third-party add-on traffic. So encrypting your data is really a mandatory step here. It essentially keeps your streaming habits completely private and totally hidden from your ISP.
Okay, let's get to the fun part. Section 4, the installation process. We're going to take what is normally a 13-step process and break it down into 4 super manageable phases. Phase 1 is all about system prep, basically getting Kodi ready to accept third-party software. First, you'll open Kodi and click on that little Settings gear icon. Next, head over to System, select Add-ons, and toggle Unknown Sources to the On position. This is the exact setting that authorizes your system to accept outside installations. Once you've done that, just jump back to Settings and open your file manager. Boom, your environment is prepped. Phase 2 is where we connect your system to the Red repo. Inside the file manager, click Add Source, and then very carefully type in this URL, https://repo.redwizard.xyz. Take a second to double check for typos here because that is a super common trap. Give it a simple name, something like Red, click OK, and then back all the way out to your main home screen.
Moving into Phase 3, we actually pull the repository file itself. Oh, and this is a fantastic time to just verify your VPN is active. Head to Addons, select Install from zip file, choose that Red source we literally just made, and click on the repository.redwizard.zip file. Then just hang tight for a second until you see a little notification pop up confirming that the repo is installed. Finally, Phase 4. Let's get the actual add-on extracted. Go to Install from Repository, choose the Red repo, and navigate right into Video Add-ons. You'll see Gratis Red just waiting there for you. Go ahead and select it, hit Install, and wait for that final success banner. And just like that, your deployment is officially complete. All right, let's wrap things up with Section 5, Frequently Asked Questions. First up, do I really need real debrid to use Gratis Red? This right here is by far the most common point of confusion, especially for users who are used to those highly customized premium streaming setups. The answer is a firm no. As we touched on earlier, Gratis Red operates strictly as a non-debrid option. You absolutely do not need to link any paid accounts to browse around its directories. It relies 100% on the free links it pulls from across the web. The next big question, why is a VPN recommended when using Kodi add-ons? This is obviously a crucial question when we're talking about system security and protecting your personal data. Simply put, a VPN protects your privacy by encrypting your traffic, keeping your activity totally invisible to your ISP and any third parties. Since free streaming links can sometimes be a bit inconsistent or even potentially insecure, having that encrypted connection is without a doubt your absolute best line of defense.